Mastering English phrases. See to it, explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, see to it. You might have come across this phrase in books, movies, or maybe in a conversation and wondered about its use. Well, worry no more. We're here to clarify its meaning, how you can use it, and give you some practical examples. So, let's get started. See to it is a phrase that you might not find in everyday conversations, but it's handy and quite important. To see to something means to make sure that something is done. When you're told to see to it, you're being asked to take responsibility for a task or action, ensuring that it is completed or handled properly. It's like saying, please make sure this happens, or ensure that this is done. The person asking you to see to it has a certain level of trust that you will take the necessary steps to complete the task at hand. Using see to it is about delegating or taking on responsibility. It's often used in formal or semi-formal situations. Here's how to use it. 1. Giving instructions. When you're in charge and want to ensure a task is done, I'll see to it that the reports are ready by tomorrow. 2. Making requests. When you ask someone to ensure something gets done, could you see to it that the guests receive their invites? 3. Setting expectations. When you're promising to complete a task, don't worry, I will see to it that everything is arranged. Remember, when using see to it, you're not just talking about any task. You're talking about something important, something that needs a careful and attentive eye. When learning a new phrase, it's just as important to know what not to do. Here are a few common mistakes. Don't overuse it. See to it is not for casual use. Save it for when you really mean to take responsibility or ask for it earnestly. Don't misinterpret it. If someone tells you to see to it, they are not merely suggesting. They're giving you a direct responsibility. Context is key. Use see to it in the right context, where the sense of duty and attentiveness to the task is clear and necessary. Let's practice with a few more examples. See to it that the door is locked before you leave the office. I'll see to it that your message is delivered to the manager. Please see to it that the pets are fed while I'm away. Try creating your own sentences with see to it, and share them with friends or in the comments below. This is a great way to practice and get feedback. And that's a wrap on see to it. I hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you and that you feel more comfortable using it. Remember, phrases like see to it add nuance to our language and can make you sound more fluent and natural in English. So don't shy away from giving them a try. Until next time, keep learning and see to it that you're practicing your English every day. Goodbye, and happy learning!